Oh, lami. Lami, Dayla. Hey, Sean. Thanks for welcoming me back. Oh no, my phone is running low. Thanks for the thumbs up, Sean. Hope Dyla will do the same. What time is it there, Sean? I haven't been on lately. Ooh, it's quite early there. Have you taken your breakfast? Welcome back, bro. Thanks for welcoming me back, Doc Lloydie. Hello, bro. Sean Smith from Doc Lloydie Bland. Hi, Doc, from Sean Smith. Agda-agda sa kung ngaon ta dayla. Ali ay dayla. Dayla. Brett. Nasa tapad. Nasa kung tapad, pwede siya magpakita sa TV. Ay, baby ko. Dayla, syudi abas. Dayla, syudi abas. Hello to all the people in my live stream. Hope you're enjoying the view. If you are. Buyers kay mag-nosebleed ko here. Yeah, you should speak English because we have international friends over here. They might not understand our language. Send my regards to her. Regards daw, oy. Sabi ni Dayla. Ganun, ikaw mo kay kamay mo, ganunin mo. Wala rin sila, ilan na pod ilong magdugo. Nagtuna sandwich lang ko dahil dalagang Pilipino. Katong ana. Tiwason sa nina ko dahil. Mag-video ka na, man. Hindi mo masugot ako uyab. Di siya masugot kay katawanan daw. Buyers mans. Sige, bye. I'm watching the live stream from Sean Smith. Thank you. Thank you, Sean Smith, for always being there to support me. I just came back from a remote area where internet is not really accessible. So there you go. I'm perfect, Doc. How about you? From Sean Smith. What happened in YouTube? Are there any updates while I was gone? Ay, Alden. Gaya na naku wala ka balik og internet ay. Yung tumawag ko bukid, wala internet dito. Okay, bye. Yung si Alden ba pala? Away kay niya eh. I'm glad I'm here early. Yeah. Hi from Isa Williams, no sound. Oh, uh, are you sure I don't have any sound? I believe I. Can you hear me? Guys, if you are you just arrived in my live stream, please don't forget to hit the like button, please. Thank you. You can't hear me? Hello? Hello? Maybe my mic is busted. Not sure. I can't hear. I can hear you fine, Crystal. Oh, Isa Williams. I believe maybe your volume is down. Sean Smith can hear me perfectly fine. Oh, ask me anything, guys. I can. Where have I been? I've been to London to visit the Queen. No. Lade's housewife, mom of two. Hello, all. Well, it's not you, it's me. Isa Williams, ha? You, ha? Where you've been, Crystal? Yeah, about that. I've been to a remote area where there is no internet connection, so that happened. So I wasn't able to make any live streams. Well, here I came back to the city where I can connect to the internet. So there, I went on live stream again. The whole day was just fine. I was looking for like a job abroad, probably Canada. I went to an immigration company with together with my ex workmate. Been workmates before during the how to call that the deployment. Magbili ka na ng 140 pesos load. Go sakto. 4G data na yan. Di mo pa kayang ubusin mo. 4 gigabytes data yung 140. Galing na yan. 7 days? 7 days ba yan? From Wei Ching Chua. Thank you. Guys, if you just arrived to my live stream, please don't forget to hit the like button. Please. Please, guys. I like to make a live mukbang. Is that okay? If I make a live mukbang, will it be okay with you guys? I got this from SNR. It's called the Combo Stuffed Snack. It's a cheddar cheese baked cracker flavored filling. Yeah, Sean Smith said, "Yep, you want me to make a live mukbang. Okay. Anything for you guys, anything." Ooh, look at it. This is the combos. And this, I can't see this in anywhere in the local market here or grocery. So I went to SNR where I can buy it. I know SNR sells this here in Cebu, Philippines. Mmm, yummy. And I can do like an how do you call it? ASMR. Wow, I wonder where to find SNR. SNR. Waiting Chua, you're joking. I said S and R. Sean, I know in America you have this, so you need to buy this. It's yummy. Can really taste the cheddar cheese. It's sweet, guys. Still have plenty. Yeah. I see. I thought I heard it like ASMR. I was wrong. I'm sorry for saying it a bit slang. I was. It's really my fault. You heard it wrong. Definitely my fault. Miss Red is in the house. Hi, Miss Red. Hello, everyone, says Miss Red. Guys, if you're not yet friends with Miss Red, please hit her house. Do everything you can. Leave a message. Make sure that that's not a spam word, okay? Miss Red said, got it. Yeah. What's everyone's goal today? Yeah. What's everyone's goal today? Just, um, nope, wasn't your fault. I just got a hearing problem. Everyone's goal is to hit that 4,000 watch hours. I got my 1,000 subscribers more. I just need the watch hours done. I'm still way, way behind my watch hours goal. Watch hour goal. Uh, the watch hour goal is really difficult to achieve. You need to post videos, more videos, do live streams to help other people also. Yeah, it's hard. Go live is the is the way to go. Yeah, that's really true. Wow. Yeah. Um, you can tell everyone what time are you going on live, so that we can try to help you with that. You can go to your live stream by the time you're on. You just tell us what time. Okay, I have a lot of loyal supporters. We can help you too. You gain too. Yeah, sure. Let's help one another here. We only have one goal, all of us. I'm just doing this mukbang. So this is just that's what I need to figure out. The times, yeah. By the way, Ms. Red, where are you from? Which country? Oh, yes, Ohio. How's the weather there in Ohio? Sean, are you still there? How's the weather there, by the way? Mm, that's hot. Oh, you're using Fahrenheit, right? Not Celsius? How's the weather there, Sean? Yeah. Here, because here in the Philippines, we're using the Celsius unit measurement. Hello, guys, from Imotera Me. Yeah, if you're not yet friends with Imotera Me, uh, hit her house, leave comments, make sure it's not. Oh, okay. Hence why you said it was hot. Yeah. I was thinking you were using Celsius, but I just remembered in the US you're using the Fahrenheit unit. Imotera Me, if you're not yet friends with Ms. Red, Sean Smith, Doc Lloydie Ben, Moiching Chua, Isa Williams, and you can just scroll up. There are more friends you can add there. Definitely, they're legit followers. Watching your video, Sean Smith. Yes, that's great. Emoterami, Ms. Red is also watching your video. Let's all give each other a helping hand in order to complete our goal. All of us have our own goals. So, no, not our own goals, but we all have one goal, the same goal. Thanks, Miss, from Sean Smith. Is my voice too loud? Ayos lang. Can you hear me fine, guys? I might need to modulate my voice because my voice is I'm in a cafe. Muiching Chua TV, watching yours too. Yeah, Muiching Chua is also I mean, Miss Red is also watching your video. Key is joining properly. Yeah, that's true. So numbers stick. You join properly. You leave legitimate comments, and you're good to go. You watch the video. comment on only on what's happening on the video, and you already know what that means. No need to say hug, hug to hug, sub to sub, or anything that might leave your comment uh, into trash. Thank you so much, guys, for this for the 8 likes. I really appreciate you. If you have questions, guys, just feel free to ask me. I'll try to answer it as honestly as possible. Thank you guys for the 9 likes that I have here. I really, really appreciate it. I'm still planning to John Smith, you're very welcome. Yeah. I'm glad you're getting along here. Just do everything you can so that your numbers will stick, guys. Heart. Hearts. Hearts. This is hearts. Here in Asia, it's a very common how do you call that? Gesture? Is that a gesture? Maalat siya masyado, no? Maalat masyado. I'm already halfway to 1 hour. So this will just be a live stream good for an hour. So we still have another half for things that we need to talk about. Go ahead, guys. Throw me those questions and I'll answer them freely. No need to pay. I'll just answer them. It's just salty. Doc Lloydie Ben. Hello again, guys. You're not yet friends with Doc Lloydie Ben, please hit his house. Because the doctor is in. By the way, what's keeping you guys busy there in the US? How was I heard the shutdown? How was the shutdown? From Sean Smith. Hi again, Doc. Hello, everyone. Glad you guys are like getting along. That should be the case. Everyone should get along. This type of business, you need to be friends with everyone, almost everyone. That way, they can subscribe to your channel. You don't have any questions for me, guys? Alright, I'll just do the mukbang here. Okay. happened? Oh, what I do at home, usually what I do at home is watch TV, surf the net. Basically, that's it. Do I have a boring life? What happened? Did I just froze? Is it okay now? What do you, I think everyone in the chat left except me. Yeah, maybe. Maybe Sean. Thank you for always being there for me. That I can see there are like four viewers, shadow viewers, something like that. Is that how you call them? Sha- shadow viewers? Like I have a boring life. As of the moment, I don't have work. So basically, I'm doing freelance bookkeeping right now. Processing things for my friends. Yeah, it's sad. I know, but it's fine. I can carry through. I hope so. How about you, Sean? What do you do for a living? Are you going to work right now, Sean? Are you like studying or at college or something? Sonic Classic Heroes Online. It's a good game. I try to check that out. I play Sonic, the one with like the blue guy that has spikes on him. Here, over here. That's a blue guy. I think I played that before. I'm just not sure. But Sonic Classic Heroes Online. I'll try to check that out. What's keeping me busy right now is how I can make more watch time in here in YouTube. Watch hours. Still 200 though. 200 hours. I just need to at least make it like also by the end of the month of April. I at least want to have it like reach 1,000 at least. At least 1,000 please. I'm still in the process of like trying to edit for video contents. One of which is like a food vlog. Uh, it's it's a restaurant here in the Philippines in Cebu. Uh, giving like unlimited chicken, like chicken wings, chicken, unlimited chicken with different flavors. Well, I believe 5 flavors. 4 of which are my favorite ones. One I'm not really a fan of that flavor. I believe that's the the was it a teriyaki or the barbecue? I don't remember. Did I froze again? Oh, it's just fine. The chickens are good for the people to eat. I'm sure they are. Those chickens. Hey guys, I'm sorry for that. I lost connection. Now it's back. Thanks for hanging on. Last chat is chickens are good for the people to eat. Very good for the people to eat. Evan. Evan V, hi. I'm late. Not yet. Not yet. Don't even say that. You're not yet late. I'm happy you're here. And I would be more than happy if you don't forget to hit the like button. Please don't forget to hit the like button when you come in. Always remember to do that in every live stream. Travel tuber. Hi dear. Hi cousin. Yeah, hi cousin. Hi cousin. How are you? How's your travels? How are your travels? Don't forget to hit the like button, guys. Uh, if you just arrived. Thanks. Thanks, cuz. I'm getting fatter. I'm already fat, so I should say I'm getting fatter, not I'm getting fat. You're not yet friends with Avon V and Travel Tuber. Please. Oh, Ate Antes in the house. Bye, Chris. Kamusta na? Yes. Doing great. Slang naman lagi taron. Because we have international friends right now, like Sean Smith and Ms. Red. We need to speak English. Travel Tuber. Hello from Ate Ancle. Travel Tuber. If you're not yet friends here, please go to each other's houses. From Travel Tuber. Yeah. Wow, we really have international friends here. Yeah, that's so right. Miss Red, hello. Yes, from Ate Ancle. Sean Smith, hello. Travel Tuber. Ancle. Please don't forget to leave comments. How's your application doing, bro, Chris? Application is really doing bad. Haven't got any job still. Don't have any job yet. I'm just doing freelance bookkeeping right now. Travel Tuber. Okay. Yeah, don't forget to hit each other's houses. Once you hit the house, watch like a full movie if you can. Once you're done, hit the like button, subscribe. Hit the like button, subscribe, and then don't forget also to hit the bell. Hit also the bell. That way, you will always get notified if that friend of yours has a new upload. I'm doing this live stream right now uh, just to boost a little. I'm still at 200 in my watch hours, so that's the reason why I need to boost it up. I haven't been on lately. If you have questions, guys. Feel free to send me a message here. I'll be more than willing to answer it wholeheartedly. Honestly. So just tell me honestly. That's a song. I do look fat in this shirt, don't I? Uh-huh. Okay, bye. Thank you for coming, Travel Tuber. I really appreciate your time. Thank you. Thank you for coming by. Naku, sa wakas, nakita ko na naman sarili ko sa salamin. From Roland Official. Ito talaga si si Kuya Roland. Kamusta nga pala dyan? Nasa bahay ka lang, Kuya Roland? From Joy Chur and Sib. Hi. Yes. Joy Chur and Sib is in the house, guys. If you just came in, don't forget to hit that like button. From Roland Official. Musta? Ito galing sa work. Nasa computer shop. I see. Okay. Puti ka pa. Namimiss ko na yung may trabaho. Yun bang pagod ka rin kasi galing ka sa work. Eto na si Ate Ancle. Asa man karon, bro, Brother Chris? Yeah. Nako sa IT, Ate Ancle. I mean IT Park. Cebu IT Park. Lagi kitang nakikita sa ibang live. Yes, patambay muna. Thank you, Joy Chuy, Ransib. Yeah, I also kita rin kita sa mga live ng ibang YouTubers din dito. Thank you. Tambay ka lang dyan. Huwag kang mag-alala. Free ang tambay dito sa bahay. Sa bahay ko. Ako nga din. Literal na tambay. Walang trabaho. Ay, naku. Haha. May kape ka ba dyan? Naubos ko na yung kape. Nag-refill na nga ako. Tubig na lang. Kanina may kape. Ngayon tubig na lang. Joy. Roland Official. May business ka naman eh. Business ka dyan. Full-time YouTuber lang ako. Full-time YouTuber na hindi pa na-monetize. Sana may business ako. Ano kaya magandang business dito? Pero pinagtawanan lang ako ni Ate Ancle. Wala akong business. Sana nga, meron akong business. Gusto ko yung business yung mga buy and sell siguro. Mas madali ba yung ibenta yung buy and sell? Appear sa hindi na monetize dyan. Marami na tayo. From Joy Choy Radse. Hindi pa tayo na monetize kasi kulang pa yung watch hours natin. 200 plus pa yung watch hours ko. Kaya nagsisipag ako mag-LS ngayon. Have it been on lately? Na-busy ako, naghahanap kasi ako ng trabaho. I'm really broke. Broke talaga. Broke talaga yung term, no? So, yun. Wow. Ako nga, 500 pa hahabulin ko. Yes. Buti nga, naka 500 ka na. So, meron ka na lang 3,000. 3,500 na hahabulin. Oh. Ako, 3,800 panghabulin ko. Ikaw, mahilot pa man ako, bro. Ate Ancle, saan pwede magpahilot? Pakilala mo naman ako kay Ate Ancle, oh. Hindi pa pala kayo mag-friendship dyan. Ate Ancle, add nyo po si Kuya Roland. Friends, mabuting kaibigan din yan si Kuya Roland. Ito din si Joy Choy. Parati kaming kita dito. Oh, Kuya Roland, magkapitbahay na pala kayo dati pa. Ikaw talaga, Kuya Roland. Nasa bakuran ko na yan. Ikaw talaga, Kuya Roland, ha? Ate Peace. Ayan. Si Joy Choy din. Nasa bakuran mo ka na daw niya. Ikaw, Kuya Roland, ha? Joke lang ni Kuya Roland. Ito talaga nag-April Fools na si Kuya Roland. Talaga tong si Kuya Roland. April Fools pala to siya. Tapos na April Fools, April 1 lang yun. Hindi na pwede sa April 2. From Ate Ann, sabi niya, hello Joy. Bro, may kwento lang ako. Deloitte Telecast, replay na to ng April Fools. Kaya pala. Siguro nasa US tayo. Kaya delayed yung isang day. Sige, anong kwento mo, Kuya Roland? Makikinig kami sa kwento mo. Dapat sa LS mo yan kinukwento. Yung pusa kasi namin sobrang bait. Oh. So, ang ginawa. Yes, US si Kuya. Wow. Nasa US pala to si Kuya Roland eh. Hindi Kuya Roland, ano nangyari sa pusa ninyong sobrang bait? Haha, tapos anong nangyari sa pusa? From Joy Joy. Tara Bells. Hello, Tara Bells. Uy, Tara Bells, salamat sa mga binibigay mo sa akin na U-coins ha. Ngayon lang ako nakakapagpasalamat sa iyo ng live stream. Kasi minsan doon sa ni LS ni Eugen, binibigyan niya ako ng U-coins para sa games. Ang ulam namin sa lamesa hindi ginagalaw kahit walang takip. Wow! Galing. Galing ng pusa niyo. Bait-bait ng pusa. Tapos, di pa nga natapos si Kuya Roland, tumatawa na tong si tumatawa na to si Joy Joy Rancid. Na April Fools ka na, Chris, ni Kuya Roland. Kasi tinali niya ang pusa. Oo nga, baka tinali yung pusa. Ayun ko lang yan. Taningin mo muna ako kung ano ang ulam. Baka daga yung ulam. Ano yung ulam niyo? Bakit ayaw ng pusa? Daga ba? Ito talaga si Kuya Roland. Bindilan ko yung tawa ko. Ay, ang ulam is aso. Uy, wag kayo kumain ng aso. Bad yun. Uy, animal cruelty yun. Hindi, Kuya Roland. Kaya hindi ginalaw ng pusang yung ulam mo. Kasi ginawa mo ng intro ang pusa. YouTuber. Yun kasi yung pusa. YouTuber. May sariling YouTube account yung pusa. Nagla-livestream din ba yung pusa mo? Nagtataka ako. Nakatitig lang talaga siya sa ulam. Bakit nga? Ano ang ulam? Anong ulam, Kuya Roland? Ano kayang ulam? Ayusin mo. Kasi may libre intro pusa ni Kuya Roland. Kaya mabait. Ulam niya ay si Jerry. Oo, kasi friends mo si Tom at si Jerry. Siyempre, hindi niya kakainin. Kukulitin lang. Ang ulam, ayaw pala niya ng mahal. Uy, ang sarap kaya ano, yung asin, tapos lagyan mo ng patis at ang tawag doon? Ah, ah, mit na tirang mantika ng adobo. Uy, sarap kaya noon. Man Oo, mantika ng adobo. Lagyan mo ng asin at saka toyo. Yun. Kung walang ulam, ayun yung ginagawa. Oo, kahit mantika ng pritong isda. Uy, pangit naman pag mantika ng pritong isda. Huwag yun. Mantika lang ng adobo. Halatang pinagdaanan natin. Hindi ko naman tinatago na galing din ako doon. Choy choy rice. Sarap lalo na kung mainit eh. Yes, totoo. Patay dyan. Mahina net. Oo nga eh. Naglo-loading. Okay, Ate Joy. Omar Bautista is in the house. Good morning, my brother. Hello, everyone. Yeah. Crystal Santo. Andito na naman si Christian J. Hello, Crystal Santol. Musta ka na? I'm doing great. Ikaw dyan, kamusta? Sayang hindi nyo naabutan yung may story si Like, thank you, Omar Bautista. May may sinabi si Kuya Roland. Dami yung sinabi. Asin lang pala. Yeah, good to see you too. You look handsome now than before. Grabe. So, pangit pala ako talaga before. Grabe talaga tong si Christian J. Taba ko nga. Oh? Omar, please everybody, like. Thank you, Omar. How's the weather there, Omar? Guys, Omar is not native, I guess. Where are you from, Omar? Hi, host. Thumbs up. Thank you, Manilyn T. Thank you, Manilyn. Thank you, thank you. Joke lang, oy. Oo, lumaki ang imong chan, pati ang mukha mo. Kaya nga, nakakataba pala pag walang trabaho. Nasa bahay ka lang, natutulog, nanonood ng TV. Yun. Omar Batista is not from the Philippines, guys. So let's speak English so that he won't get left off. So he can understand also. Pero guwapo ka pa rin for me. Wow, Max naman. Guys, hit each other's houses. Please leave comments. Please leave comments all about the video. Okay? Then you know what that means already. Watch the video also so that you know what to comment. Okay, I will English here also just for a little bit. Okay. So let's go, friends. Omar Bautista, hello from Ate Ann. If you're not yet friends with Ate Ann Clay, please, Omar, go to her house, watch a video, leave a comment, and then make sure that comment is all about that video. Good coffee. I already finished my coffee though. This is now water. This is now water. Good coffee. Hello, Omar Bautista. How are you, sir, today? Yeah. Kuya Roland, speak English. Omar is here. Omar is not from the Philippines. He is from Mexico. Yeah, if you're not yet friends with Roland official, Omar, please go to his house also. Watch a video. Leave a comment about the video. Just make sure you don't leave spam words, okay? Hello, Omar Bautista. How are you, sir, today? Yes, my videos, it's Spanish music. Yes, okay. Roland official. Kwento pa ako. Pretty good, bro. Okay. We will all check out your video after this live stream. So, Christian J. Roland, English, please. I know you can do it too. Roland, what are you gonna talk about? What's your you said you want to tell us something. What is it? Kuya Roland, where are you now? Hi, Christian from Joy Children. Sid, you're pretty good. You are pretty good. Speak English, Crystal sa nasantol. Crystal na santol pa. Di na mo unto. Christian J is such a bully. Yeah, I worked as a customer support associate before. Haha, Bisaya yan ah. Bisaya bitaw ko. Bisaya ko, bisdak. I'm from Cebu. And I am in Cebu right now. Bisaya pod ko. Joy Choy Rancib is also Bisaya. Same sa akin. We are the same. Yes, I know, but I can see you're smiling. I'm smiling because it's funny, but it's about me, so it's still bullying. Me, Mindanao, but working here in Kuwait. Yeah. Kapoy pangitag trabaho eh. Paghapon ko kakitag trabaho until now. Joy, you can speak English too. No more bisdak. Okay. No more bisdak. Joy, speak English so that Omar Omar Bautista can understand us. Okay? Where is Kuya Roland? I thought he will tell us a story. Kuya Roland, tell us your story. Kapoy maning live ni Istoy oy mahot dan tag English. But who's becoming if practice makes perfect. But nobody is perfect. So why practice? Ihati jud ka Christian. Ang Bisaya ta oy. Okay. Let's speak Bisaya na lang. Oh, how about Bisaya English? Bisaya English. Like Konya Bisaya. How about that? Have you tried eating na manggod ngadto sa Fuente Osmeña na what do you call that? We know already how to speak English. Oh, duh. $7:30 na guys. It's Tuesday evening. But I don't have work. How do you know me? I'm Chris B. Crystal. Yes, I know you, Christian J. You're Chris B. You're the bully. You're always the bully. The funny bully. I believe you also have an account named Chris A, Chris B, Chris C, Chris D. You all have the letters. Christian, hello from Omar Bautista. Hoy, Christian. Christian J. Nag-ingon si Omar Bautista. Hello. Hey. Tanong mo ba? Yes, but for you, not only not to anybody. Hi, Omar. Mwah. Christian J just kissed you. Omar, is that okay with you? Omar Bautista, Christian J just kissed you. What are you gonna do about it? I cannot finish this. Sorry ko na lang. Nandito na si Osai. Hello everybody. Hello host. I'm watching from Mars. Wow. Magkano pa masahe din sa Mars? Gusto ko mapuntahan yung Mars. Hindi pa ako nakapunta dyan. Feel ko malakas yung signal dyan ng Wi-Fi. Dito kasi nag-loading. Osai, do not look at you from the other live recently. Looking at you from the other live recently. Yes. From Christian J. Ito talaga si Chris B. Ang daming account. Feel ko may 100 accounts to si Chris B. Tama ba ako? Ano ako? Ha? Na-report mo? Talaga. Please. From Omar Bautista. Thanks everyone for the visit. Yeah. I'm glad that you have new friends right now, Omar. Yazo, hello. Yazo, nagpaparamdam si sa'yo, si Omar. Omar, hello, how are you? From Yazo Rashid. If you're not yet friends, hit each other's houses, guys, please. English pala dito. Yeah. You need to speak English here because Omar Bautista is from Mexico. He is from Mexico. You need to speak English so that he would understand. Well, if you know Spanish, you can speak Spanish. ¿Cómo estás, mi amigo? Is that right, Omar? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? I'm visiting. Nag-change lang ako ng name. Ah, pwede pala mag-change ng name dito. Hindi ko yan alam ah. I didn't know. Saan ba pwede mag-change ng name? Like for Christoy's Travels, gusto ko Christoy's Adventures na lang. Pwede ba yun? ¿Cómo estás? Chris B, ayaw, sige, English diha, samok pag live unya. Yes. Hindi ka na sa mag-live si Chris B. Ato siya na sa dato ibuli sa iyang live. Siya na po dato ibuli. Omar, you're my old friend. Hey. From Yazoo Rashid. Omar Bautista. Yazoo is already your friend since before. So, she must have been in your list already. You can try to check it out. Crystal Santol na lang dili na moontol. Ay, si Chris B na siya. Oh, si Chris B na si Christian J. That's Chris B. Omar Bautista. Yazo, sorry. Sorry is... Paano ba yun sa ano? Joy, si Chris B na. Katong kambing, bitaw na mo kata. Uy. Grabe. Omar Bautista. Yazo, I see. Okay. Jojo, Chris B, daghanan ni mo ka-count. Oy, Christian J. Wahaha. Ito, unsa ko na ni mo dagan kay kag-account. Tagan sad kay kag-email address. Yazo Rashid. Omar, it's okay. Don't say sorry. No need to say sorry. From Yazo. Murag gahimo ra og Facebook account. Dili man good, ilisan ra nako. She just changed names. Omar, muy bien, excelente, señor. Muy bien kay very good. Very good na muy bien. What does muy bien mean? Omar, muy bien, excelente, señor. Change topic, please. Okay, what topic do you want to talk about? Let's talk about what? I'll be ending my live stream by 8 p.m. because I need to go somewhere by then. Bien kay French na siya, no? Bien no word is host strange topic daw ingon ni Duwende nga Chris B. Adto ta sa iya live, di ba? Panuhot daghan. Sige, adto ta sa iyang live. Mag-end naman ko in a while. Kay na ako'y lakwon. What time siya mag-live? Bien, kay French. Nakunay bawaan ko ana siya. Spanish na ang bien na word. It's a Spanish word. Bisbi nga nung pangita ko, Jonat. Oy. Ngano ko nung gipangita siya ni Jonat. Crispy. Ambot, sige na lakaw. Dili man ko mag-live, oy. Mag-live ko no ka, ingon si Yazu, si Osay. Anong dili ka mag-live? Pinapag-live na. Magulat minimo. We are waiting. What time ka mag-live? Gimingaw na kuno siya nimo kay angay man kuno siya nimo. Guwapa mong god ka, Osay. Wow. Bitaw guwapa kay ni si Osay. Ambot, sige na lakaw. Dili man ko mag-live. Oy, ngayon dili ka mag-live. Pag live na lang god. Crispy, yaga-yaga diha. Ayaw pag sige yaga-yaga. Crispy, ingon si Yazo. Guys, I need to pee. I'll just leave this on, so please hold on, okay? Kahion kay ko, kahion. Bye-bye. Butang sana ko. Dili dili pa ko mag-live kay galoto kog panihapon are. Unsay mong panihapon? Pag live na lang while nagluto kag panihapon. Joy Choy Ransib. Chris Amping exit sa ako ha. Okay. Thank you for coming, Joy. Ate Joy. Joy Choy, ganda. Ingat po, stay blessed. Wow. Unya ako kay Mulakaw na sad ko kay it's almost 8 na. Okay. Sige, pagluto na mo dira ate Yazo. Nag-dinner na mo. Mana, bago lang ko nag-dinner. Katurataw na akong dinner. Sandwich ra. Loy kay ko. Sandwich ra akong dinner kay. Upa ko isweldo. Nako host, dili na pwede mag-live habang galuto. Kay sigurado mayabo jud. Christian J, o giaway ka, mayabo jud kuno kung mag-live ka. Mayabo jud imo ang giluto kung mag-live ka, Christian. Chris B. Sige, salamat kay sa inyong pag-anhi sa ako ang live stream, no? Yeah, I really appreciate your time and sa paman. Thank you sa pag-anhi sa ako ang live stream. Maura ako masulti. Salamat kayo maka-add ni siya maayo sa ako ang nako sa IT part na ako'y lakwan later. Bye.